The man standing by the road was completely unaware of the dangerous situation unfolding. The JCB was speeding towards him and seemed unable to stop in time, but at the last moment, a car suddenly veered in from the left and collided with the JCB, causing it to veer off course and stop, saving the man's life. A BMW was speeding on the wet road and lost control, crashing into two other cars. A nearby driver, recognizing the dangerous situation, managed to brake in time and stop right before a collision, protecting his family in the car. When the BMW crashed into the Volvo and Mercedes, the driver quickly called for emergency assistance and helped the victims. Although two people in the Volvo and Mercedes were injured thanks to the prompt support, their conditions did not worsen. A woman had just retrieved items from a car parked by the side of the road. As she was slowly walking back, she was startled and quickly recoiled when she saw an SUV speeding towards her. The vehicle lost control, skidding past the woman and crashing into a fire hydrant protection barrier before coming to a stop. The airbags in the SUV had deployed, and the driver immediately opened the door. A serious collision occurred on the highway when a truck was hit by another vehicle, causing the truck to catch fire. The flames quickly spread across the entire front of the truck and created a thick column of smoke. Fortunately, the truck driver managed to escape from the vehicle just before the fire reached the driver's seat. After the driver of the red car sped and caused an accident with an oncoming vehicle, the red car was thrown off and came to a stop in the middle of the road. The woman from the impacted vehicle panicked, opened her door, and sat down in the middle of the street. A pedestrian quickly came to help, calling for emergency services and the police. Despite the very tense situation, the prompt assistance helped minimize the damage. As the bus driver was reversing, a large truck traveling at high speed, unable to brake in time, crashed into the rear of the bus. The force of the collision caused the driver to be thrown out of the seat, but thanks to the absence of passengers standing near the collision area and the effective safety equipment in the bus, everyone on board was unharmed. Shortly after the accident, emergency services and the police arrived at the scene, assessed the condition of all parties involved, and determined the cause of the accident. Suddenly, a container truck experienced a breakdown and stopped right in the middle of a busy highway where vehicles were traveling at high speeds. The driver of the container truck got out to inspect the issue, and just as he was crawling under the truck to make repairs, another container truck, unable to react in time, crashed directly into the stopped vehicle. The severe collision caused significant damage to the truck's undercarriage and trapped the driver underneath. Other vehicles on the highway were also affected, leading to a major traffic jam. Immediately, other drivers and passers-by called for emergency services and the police. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our videos. Click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as we release new content. Your support is our greatest motivation to continue creating engaging and valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your time with us. Suddenly, a tire from a vehicle traveling in the same lane flew into the air. The tire struck the black car behind it, causing the black car to lift off the ground several meters before it landed back on the road. Fortunately, the driver of the black car quickly regained control and safely landed the vehicle without sustaining serious injuries. The incident caused a major shock and drew the attention of those nearby. Other drivers stopped and called for emergency services to ensure that everyone was safe and no one was injured. A large truck was driving down the road when it suddenly lost its brakes. The driver was unable to control the vehicle, and the truck reversed straight into a nearby store. The severe impact caused significant damage to the store, shattering windows and knocking over some shelves inside. Fortunately, no one was injured in the accident. An accident occurred on the Nairobi-Naivasha highway when a vehicle lost control and crashed into another car parked there. Fortunately, no one was near the area of impact. The driver and passengers of the vehicle sustained only minor injuries, and there were no serious injuries reported. Thank you for watching the entire video. We're delighted to share engaging and valuable content with you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our latest uploads. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as we release new content. Follow our channel to stay updated with exciting videos and useful information in the future. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next videos.